since I recorded one of these videos, and I apologize if you hear noise in the background. It is the fan. I forgot to turn it off, but I wanted to show you guys my planner of the week before I start writing in it. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I use the Glam Girl collection, which is almost out because the year is almost out. So this is the medium-sized one, and I'll just show you how I decorated it real quick before I add in my personal stuff. My son's 19th birthday is this week, so I dedicated this entire happy planner week to his birthday. So I added some balloons. Cannot forget Empire is coming back on Wednesday night. Hell yes! And then I just put balloons and celebrate. Made it real cheerful. And of course, my little page planner. And then here, Thursday is his birthday. He'll be 19. We'll be eating cake on this day, but Friday I will be taking him to get his very first tattoo. We have a hibachi dinner planned. We have a whole bunch of stuff to get for him, so we're excited about this week. So I just dedicated this to him. And that margarita, I plan on drinking at least one of the 2 weeks or 3 weeks of hell that I've been through. I deserve a margarita. So this is the classic Glam Girl collection. I'm going to push this aside, and yes, I'm recording on a pillow because I'm super lazy and super sassy. This one here is my Happy Planner Mini, and this one is the Glam Girl collection, the Ooh La La, which, by the way, I love this, and I know this Thursday or Friday, Mambi is dropping their whole new entire collection of 2018-2019 planners. So if you guys have not went to their Instagram or their YouTube channel to go see which planners you guys may want, I already have my eye on 2 of them. So yeah, these planners are almost done. And I really do love this collection. So I wish they would come out with more of a glamorous type of collection. But I do have my eye on 2 planners that I wouldn't mind getting. So this is my mini happy planner. It is also decorated for his birthday. As you can see, it's very festive. There's not a whole lot you can do in the happy planner. So I think I did pretty well by making it super festive. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of stuff going on Friday. And then, yeah. So I also wanted to share with you guys really quick this haul. I don't even know if it was a haul. How about some stuff that I got? I think it was last weekend. Look, your girl may have fluid on her feet, but she's going to find a way to order some stuff online, right? So, I'm going to start with just grabbing this stuff here. This is from Michael's. This is the new Scratch and Sniff. As you can see, maple sugar, and I tell you, it smells just like maple sugar. Oh my goodness. It's washi tape. It's perfect for fall because it's for fall. It smells like I just can't even explain. It smells true. The next one is vanilla cupcake, and it smells great too. This is Treat Yourself. This one is bubblegum for the unicorn lovers like myself, and it smells so good. There's like 3 or 4 more that I'm gonna get my hands on. I don't know why, because I'm super petty and I like new stuff. This one here is strawberry. It smells so good, it makes me want to like lick it. Like, no kidding. Then this one, this came from Joann's. This is just some thin washi tape here so I can add into my mini planner. There's just some more purple thin washi tape. I'm actually out of space for my washi tape, so I have to get a new container. Yes, I'm super sad. These also came from Michael's. I'm not sure if they thinned down these Mambi sticker books as of yet, but these are pretty slick. So I have 2. I think there's like 4 more or 3 more. So this one is 382 pieces. And you know what? If they did slim them down, I really like them because they're a lot more manageable. So this is like the season. Like, it is the season. And then this one is Love Yo Selfie. And they're a lot cheaper. I think this was like $3.49. Yeah. Don't mind my little clip there. Now, when this thing first came out, I was like, this is just a waste. But I'm super petty, and I just said, forget it. Oh, wait, I have a sticker book here. Hold on. Oh, yeah. So I did get this one from Michael's because the holidays are coming up, and they're my favorite. I did get a Recollections sticker book. Cannot have enough of the lovely seasons. All right. So when this thing first came out, this is the Mambi. Let me see if I can show you here. The sticker storage book. I was like, you know what? I could do this myself. All you have to do is take an old planner you don't use and recycle it. I'm about to show you guys at the end of this video what I did with my own last year's planner. I recycled it. Very easy. However, this happened to be for the low, and because your girl is super petty, I have to have stuff. I did get it. I have not used it yet, as you can see. I wanted to point out these rings are ginormous. As you can see, they are sticking up. This is for when you make your sticker book really, really thick. Like you're going to see the one that I made just from my old recycled planner. So inside, in case you guys are wondering ever about this, is you get some labels to actually put on your tabs here. And then they do say things on each, so you can label it as like holiday or Christmas or birthday or whatever. It's really cute. It's really probably a waste of money because, like I said, when I show you the one that I made, it's really the same thing. So flipping through, and then you do get, I'm not sure how many of these you get, but what they are is you peel off both sides here, and then you could stick like your sticker pads on them or whatever, and then you could just, you know, file them into your system there. So as I know thus far, they don't sell any of these additionally, so you would have to, if you run out, get some card stock or something, and then just punch your holes and put it in here. So these rings are super big because you can get a lot in here. This is a ginormous tube from Recollections. I don't even know how many pieces are in here. I love washi, so I'm going to show you guys up front. Forgot to show you guys this. And it has like Paris and eyelashes and lipstick and lips and roses. Wine. I love it. Show you like this. This tube was actually 60% off. So yeah, I got it for really dirt cheap from Michael's. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the sticker book that I made. It isn't in another room, so, but there's noise in the other room and I forgot to grab it. So what I'm going to do is just casually flip through the sticker book to show you guys the DIY that I made that you guys can make at home with an old planner. Super easy, just follow my lead. But I wanted to thank you guys for sticking by me while I've been MIA for the past couple of weeks, on and off. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you do hit the subscribe button down below. And stay tuned to see the sticker book. And then, as always, muchos besos. I will see you guys later, so stay tuned. This is a flip through of my DIY sticker book. As you can see, it is super huge. These are only the large disc, so they do hold a lot. So I'm just going to do a silent flip through for you guys. And this is so easy, you guys can make at home. This is from a 2016 or 17 planner. What I did was make my own tabs. These are from the original separators, if you want to call them, inside the planner, and I just used them to write. I didn't write this one, but to make my own tabs as far as what is going to be in that category. So I'll just flip through. Then I just used a glue stick to glue everything down. Simple as that. So basically you get this idea here. So this is all holidays. I have a lot. Going to the next one. Yes, I have a lot. Would be, I listed as animals. And then any stickers that I had that had animals on them. I did and then deco, which was kind of like weird stuff like this. I also have religious, one of my religious stickers. So as you can see, I just took a glue stick and glued over everything that was older. It's just recyclable and it works. And I made my own tabs down here, like character. It's super simple. You can get really creative. But yeah, this is the sticker book, and the tabs, you can reuse these. These came in the planner and just write over them or get creative and make over. And all you have to do is use a glue stick on the other side to glue it on your stickers. So it's super simple. Again, this is just the large rings. They're not anything special, and it does close. But I only have one hand to close it, but that's it. Enjoy. See you guys later. Bye.